Tired of digging through your bag for your Presto card while the bus waits? Well, worrying no more, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to add your Presto card to Apple Pay for effortless travel. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone or WatchOS on your Apple Watch. This ensures compatibility and a smooth setup process. Next, open the Presto app on your iPhone. If you don't have it already, you can download it from the App Store. Make sure you have an existing Presto card registered within the app. Once you're in the app, look for the Add to Apple Wallet or Manage button associated with your registered Presto card. It's usually located near your card balance or card details. Tap on that Add to Apple Wallet button. You'll then be prompted with a screen explaining the benefits of adding your Presto card to Apple Pay. Review the terms and conditions, and then tap Add to proceed. Your iPhone or Apple Watch will then begin communicating with the Presto and Apple Pay systems. You might be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize the addition of the card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this security step. And that's it. Your Presto card is now successfully added to your Apple Wallet. You'll see your Presto card displayed alongside your other cards within the Wallet app. Now, you can simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the Presto reader at the station or on the bus to pay your fare. No more fumbling. Enjoy the convenience of contactless travel with your Presto card in Apple Pay. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.